of all the Lightbox videos and all the form videos that I've done on Squarespace over the now years, I've still never done a Lightbox form together video. So if you want to know how to make your form into a pop-up, aka a Lightbox, then this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to toggle it on and toggle it off at will. Let's get into it. So this here is what we're looking to achieve. You click on and you get a pop-up. All this is a form with a toggle to say Lightbox the form. It's really, really simple. So let's go into our editor and then I will show you exactly how this looks. So you can see it's a form block and I'll add a section just to show you from blank. So add our blank section in. We're going to add a block, look for a form block and pop that in here. So style it however you want. This isn't a styling video, this is a functionality video, so I won't go into the weeds on that. But basically, double click, and then if we go into design, let me move this over here, and go down to Lightbox, that is going to give us our button, just like this, that opens up the Lightbox. So once we've done that, we can then edit the form text, so we can say, open this form, please, or, whatever you want in there. Does background color work in this instance? No, that must be the background of the form itself. Anyway, go back into design. I think, there we go. Yeah, it's just alignment that's left. So you can align your button however you wish. I think on this example, because I have code, it may not go the full width. Let me open up. I'm doing this on my live site, which I shouldn't do, but let's have a look. So if we go down to here, let's see what that does for us. Open this for, okay, yeah, that makes the button span the whole block there. So let me get rid of this before somebody sees it and chastises me. But yeah, all you need to do, add a form block, then let's go back in, go into design, go down to Lightbox, and you will toggle that Lightbox. If you want to change the alignment of the button, you can do so by clicking these up here. And that is that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.